Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is trading above the 20-day MA. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support at around the $1.05 mark. We have also continued obeying the Elliot wave structures, and we also have a chart pattern that is in formation right here that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening and also give you the short-term scenarios, where you can see that Polygon Matic, after making its low at around the $0.74 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that the high that we made at around the $1.05 mark is what I'm terming as the high for that first wave to the upside, before we started a corrective structure in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, retracing back to the fib level 0.382, and after seeing a reaction of the fib level 0.382, we started this bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And this is the move that has given us a break above the 20-day MA, and we have continued pushing even higher and giving you my next price targets in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $1.4191 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And once we see the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And to also fully support the formation of that wave 3, we also have a channel that is in formation right here, which is an ascending channel. And since we are trading above the 20-day MA and we have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher to the upper side of the channel, then there are chances that we might see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side. So what I'm expecting using this channel that we have right here is that Polygon Matic might continue pushing even higher, push the price to the upper side of the channel and give us a break to the upper side of the channel. And once the breakout happens, I'll be expecting a retest of that upper side of the channel, and once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and that is at around the $1.41 mark. And once that happens, then we can expect a retracement in the formation of that wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5. And once we see the formation of this wave 5 of this fractal wave right here in yellow, I believe that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3, which is giving me the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. And zooming in, you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within here on the Polygon Matic chart, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $1.3 mark, and also completed a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside of this Elliot wave structure in blue. And having seen the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and in the formation of that wave 2, which is a corrective wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, which we saw over here having the wave C giving us a low at around the $0.74 mark, and also fully maximizing the formation of that second wave. And after seeing the low for the second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, and I believe that is what is playing out. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, that's why we are seeing this Elliot wave structure in yellow, which is giving me the short-term scenarios, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that wave 3, and that is because of the impulsiveness of a wave 3. And sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 right here in blue, I can connect the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $2.32 $285 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher ETH 12.3 to the upside to do, and that is what is giving me the long-term scenarios. And on the short-term scenarios, I'm continuing to watch this channel that we have right here, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, and once that happens, then we can fully maximize our target area at around the $1.3 mark, and also a break above the $1.3 mark, which is the high for this first wave of the ETH structure in blue. That could be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is the formation of these higher ETH 12.3. So we also need to continue watching the key area at around the $1.3 mark, and we are just about to break above that high at around the $1.3 mark, and once that happens, then I believe that could trigger an even more impulsive move to the upside to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 67 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.